Look at the fan on its tail.
Oh. There you go, man.
Did you get the picture of it?
All right, yep. Go ahead and put them in the water. I thought I had my measuring tape. I didn't. He's 23 probably. Actually, he's less than that. I'm down a little bit lower. Oh, you videoed him in the water? Yep.
Oh, yeah.
Straighten him out. Straighten this out just a little bit. There you go. Just leave him there till he takes off. He's just tired. Hold him still. You ain't got to wiggle his tail or anything. Like you do a bass, you just let him sit there, and once he sucks enough oxygen in, and he'll take off like that other one did. A lot of steering up there. There you go. Don't rush him. Take your time. It's going to take him a couple minutes. Now go ahead and kneel down in the water. There you go. He's about to.
Kneel down?
Yeah, if you get tired, you need to get, there you go. There you go. Good job, brother.
That was a big fish, anything. I mean.
Let's see if that